To trill or not to trill? That is the question. Distinct speech, your solution to clear speech. We have clients who come to us wanting to learn how to do the beautiful trilled R. And it is such a beautiful feature in many languages. I really enjoy the trilled R. We have others who already have the trilled R in their native language, and they ask us to help them learn the standard American R, and which is actually a little bit boring compared to the trilled R. We have the lingual bunched, and the second one is the retroflex R. So standard American, two different R's, which is probably why some children have such difficulty learning how to produce the sound R, but that's another subject for another time. So either way, if you are wanting to learn the trilled R, we're here to help. If you want to learn the standard American English we're here to help as well. Distinct speech, your solution to clear speech. Please like and subscribe.